Alright, since I'm already mic'd up and set up, I got targets down there. I thought I'd bring out that 357 that I did the repair on earlier today. And I haven't run any 357 rounds through this yet. When I shot it the other day, or a few weeks ago, that was just 38 specials. So let's see what the 357s feel like. Woo! They're stout. Oh, I thought that was 6. I didn't do so well on the target, but that's okay. I'm going to need a little bit more practice with this thing. That was 20 yards. Well, 20 yards with the 357, and I only see 6 holes in the cardboard, or 5 holes in the cardboard. So I'm going to guess that one of those must have gone way left off the paper. I was probably flinching a little bit, but this was fun to shoot. I'm looking forward to seeing what the fireball looks like in low light. Well, since I did the repair, might as well show that it actually worked. The ejector rod doing great. Popping those 357s out. Oh, that one's a little, there we go. Pretty good. One more. All right, I'm going to shoot another 6, but I'm going to shoot some 38s. All right, we'll do this with some 38 specials. Be a little bit less punishing, maybe. I'll try to put in the same target. That's much more manageable. I think that was 6. Yep, it were. Alrighty, well, at least I got all 6 of them on the paper this time. I'm not sure, I didn't mark the first ones. I'll go back and look at the other video, but looks like I might need to adjust it a little bit to the right, but not too much.